रेप को छोटी घटना बताने वाले विवादित बयान पर वित्त मंत्री अरुण जेटली ने सफाई दी है। जेटली ने कहा है कि उनके बयान को गलत समझा गया। रेप की घटना को छोटी घटना बताने की उनकी मंशा नहीं थी। उनके बयान से ठेस पहुंची तो इसके लिए उन्हें खेद है। वित्त मंत्री अरुण जेटली, जिन्होंने रेप की घटना छोटी वाला जो उनका बयान था उस पर अपनी सफाई दी है, कहा है कि उनके बयान को गलत तरीके से लिया गया। उनका इरादा किसी को ठेस पहुंचाने का नहीं था। विवादित बयान पर वित्त मंत्री अरुण जेटली की सफाई आई है। उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे दुख है कि मेरे बयान को गलत तरह से समझा गया।
There is a controversy in a section of the media with regard to a speech that I had made at a tourism conference yesterday. I had spoken at length as to factors which hurt tourism in India. One of the factors I mentioned was crime, particularly crime against women. And therefore I had emphasized strongly against crime against women as to how it hurts the whole country and hurts the tourism industry. That was one of the subject matters of this thing. I regret that that statement has been construed or some word that I had used has been construed as being insensitive. That was never my intention. I have always been very outspoken on issues relating to crime, particularly crime against women. I am very sensitive to these issues myself, and there is no question of trivializing any crime or any particular incident. I had not referred to any particular incident, but I had spoken in general on how crime can hurt tourism, and the image of crime against women itself dissuades tourists from coming to India. That was the subject matter of the seminar. I regret that that speech has been misconstrued in certain sections. That was never my intention.
और आइए अब आपको सुनाते वित्त मंत्री अरुण जेटली का वो विवादित बयान जिसको लेकर अब उन्हें सफाई देनी पड़ी है।
It's an economic resource as far as the country is concerned. It's a gateway where the world sees all of us. And therefore, as a part of the red carpet laying for the tourist, our law and order, one small incident of rape in Delhi advertised world over is enough to cost us billions of dollars in terms of lower tourism.